What's up, guys? Now I'm making a video on how to unlock achievements on Steam. So you just download these files I will have in the description. Then you can read the how-to. It's pretty simple. You just go to Sam Game right here. Then you choose whatever games you want. Not all of them will pop up, but most of them will. So for example, Bloons TD6, double click that. You can see I have all the achievements, so I'll choose another one, like battles. You see these ones are not chosen, so you just unlock all and click store. And as you can see here, I unlocked the achievements. They keep popping up there, yeah. Let's do another one. Let's see, CSGO has got some achievements. We just, boom, 167 achievements unlocked. See there? Wonderful. And you can do this with most of the things in your library. And that's really it.